Hello internet world, welcome to my unboxing and first look at the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Apple have released this in late 2025. It promises to be a really big upgrade, especially in the camera department from the previous version, as well as better battery life and better overall performance. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the box contents and I'll give you a first look at the brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max. So we have two pull tabs on the back. Really nice unboxing experience as always with Apple products. This particular one is the 17 Pro Max. It's in the blue color and it happens to be 512 gigabytes of storage on this particular one. You can get 256. You can also get 1 terabyte. It goes all the way up to 2 terabytes of storage. Wow. On first opening this, the cameras do look impressive. Just look at that. I think the optics on this iPhone are going to be the best yet. And I really do like this really cool blue colorway. It's very, very nice looking. Let's just remove this from the box and we'll take a closer look at the iPhone very shortly. I want to take a look at the accessories. So we've got the cable here, which is USB-C to USB-C. SIM removal tool as well. And then further down, we have got some instructions. It's just some regulatory information. I don't think there's even any sort of pictures or illustrated instructions in there at all, because it's pretty straightforward setting up an iPhone nowadays. And that's it as far as accessories go. So let's have a closer look at the iPhone 17 Pro Max. It's made of a new material. We got this all in one solid piece of metal. Very, very nice indeed. A new camera island at the top here as well, housing the new optics. 48 megapixels on all three cameras. We've got some other sensors here and the flash, of course. We take a look across the bottom here, USB-C and the speaker and microphones. On the side here, we have got the SIM tray, volume up and down, also the silencer switch as well. If we take a look around on this side, we've got the camera button on the side and also the main power on off button. Really nice finish to the sides on here as well. Looks absolutely stunning. The cameras is what it's all about for me on this particular iPhone. I think these are going to perform exceptionally well, but I really do like the fit and finish of everything. It feels very, very nice indeed. We've of course got wireless charging on here and it just looks stunning. Very, very nice. Really cold to the touch. Quite slippery on this particular one, so I would suggest putting a case on this just to give it a bit more grip. But certainly the fit and finish, as with all Apple products, feels very good. We're going to obviously remove the screen protector for the first time. Bit of silence for this. To reveal the screen. Wow, that is one big glossy screen. It should have some power in it. You can see the Apple logo appear when you start this up for the first time. I think the screen is going to be gorgeous on this as well. I think it's pretty much the same screen technology as the previous version, but we have got improved battery life in here and of course improved performance. And when it first starts up, you're greeted with the hello message, and when you swipe up, you're going to be walked through the first setup. This is a stunning iPhone. We're going to set it down just there and just say thank you so much to Apple for producing brilliant products, and thank you to you for watching. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to purchase the new iPhone 17, either the regular one, the Pro or the Pro Max, or indeed the new iPhone Air, I will leave links down in the video description. Please do hit like on this video, leave me some comments, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in another video very, very soon.